Meaning of dependence.
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 Dependence. Dependence refers to a state or situation where someone or something relies on or needs something else in order to function properly or exist. It can also refer to an addiction to drugs, alcohol, or other substances. The impact of dependence can be significant, ranging from mild inconvenience to severe impairment of mental and physical health, social relationships, and overall quality of life. Dependence can be both voluntary and involuntary, and it is important to recognize and seek appropriate support when necessary to address any negative effects.